Okay, Pablo, welcome to FutureCom 2010.
Thank you.
And for the past year, or during 2010, Tekelec has been acquiring some companies to reposition itself in new market segments within the industry.
That's right.
That somehow are related to what Tekelec was doing in the past. So you are kind of growing your portfolio and complementing what you had in the past. So tell us what those acquisitions were and what happened with those and what are you doing with those?
Yeah, okay, perfect. Well, Tekelec acquired two new companies that I think it's aligned with the policy from Tekelec, that it's provide intelligence in core network. Then Tekelec acquired one company, the name is Camient, it's for PCRF, it's for policy management. And the second company, the name is Blue Slice, and it's for subscriber data management and also the evolution for LTE that also has solutions as HSS, HLR, next generation HLR, etc. Well, what is interesting, the combination of these two solutions with the current Tekelec portfolio, that we can now provide solutions for the customer for their current 3G network that also will evolve for the LTE network. Okay, for example, Tekelec current portfolio already developed a product that it's Eagle XG, that we call DSR, it's diameter signaling router, because when you talk about the LTE evolution and so the signaling, 90% of the signaling will be based in this diameter protocol. And as we have right now this leadership on SS7 signaling, the same way this diameter will work like the core signaling for the LTE network. On the second hand, what is being very important to the market right now with the growth of mobile data, with 3G and even with LTE, that the carriers need to find an intelligent way to optimize their capex and to provide better services for the customers. What this policy management allows to do is to the operators use the provide fair use of bandwidth for the subscribers, as well as provide new services, what is very important. For Brazil, and I think most part of the Latin America, most part of the subscribers has this relationship with operators based in prepaid, right? And then the operators need to find some creative ways or alternatives to provide more services for these prepaid customers right now, and have this bandwidth control and provide this fair usage or quota control, and so will allow the operators provide much more services than that. This is just right now that's this unlimited band usage for a fixed rate that may not allow all the subscribers to use the services, right? Aligned with this, we have also, for example, Blue Slice. When you implement this policy, you also need the subscriber profile repository. That is, you need to have a place to put all the information about the subscriber, what rate that they have, what bandwidth that they use, and so. Then have this consolidated database. Other than this current profile application, you can add in the same platform other profiles for the same subscriber. You do two things. You simplify your customer network, but you also allow the operators to provide new services faster than what they have if they need to manage multiple databases. And all these applications that I just mentioned, this diameter signaling routing, this policy, and as well as this STM, all the solutions that can be deployed right now in Latin America, in Brazil, for all the operators that have 3G, and these customers will be involved for LTE by 2013 or so. This same solution will migrate for LTE because the subscriber data management will can evolve for HSS. Okay, the subscriber data management as HLR we have today for HSS. The policy is just adding new applications for LTE network, and diameter. It will be some different diameter protocols that will be implemented, but again, the same diameter signaling route can be applied for LTE and the new protocols that will be offered in LTE.
So after these two acquisitions, what's next for Tekelec in terms of integrating everything in its portfolio?
Okay, Tekelec is also adding more intelligence for the solution, like in diameter signaling routing. We put analytics to be able to provide more information about all the routing, all the diameter routing. And for policy management, we're doing a solution that it's dynamic policy management, because we will be feeding this information back to the system and allow to take real-time actions related if there's any congestion in the network. And finally, regarding the subscriber data management, we can combine this subscriber profile with some other information that we have in the network to help the operators build intelligent services like customized advertising for the operators, seeing the profile that they have and what sites they access or based location, and so for sure if the customers subscribe for the services.